These daily guided meditation for Transcendence are brought to you for free. If you enjoy them and would like to support the channel, you may hop on www.buymeacoffee.com/Raph. Thank you so much for your generosity and your support. Hello dear meditators, welcome back to yet another guided Transcendental Vibration meditation, a meditation where we take a vibration as our meditation object. We use that vibration not only as an anchor so that we're able to anchor our thoughts so that our minds do not drift away, a little bit like a ship. You would pull out the anchor, in order for the ship not to drift away with the winds and the waves. And it's what we're going to be doing with our minds with that vibration. And the way we're going to be doing this is by putting our focus as gently and softly as possible on that vibration, putting it on the foreground of our minds, on the center stage of our inner personal space. And this will help us be in the total present moment so that we can reconnect with our true nature, our pure intelligence, so that we disengage the ego, so that we go beyond that ego state of consciousness into a transcendental state of consciousness, also bypassing our concepts of time and space. Let's take a few moments to get prepared for the meditation. This is very important, so please stay there. Our meditations are in 3 parts. First part is preparation, where we take a little bit of time and I just mumble around for a few moments so that we don't just jump right into the meditation. No, our minds, our body, our soul, our spirit needs a little preparation. It needs to settle in calm and stillness. And so just stay here for a few extra moments while we just settle in. Second part, of course, is going to be the meditation itself. And last, on the third part, is going to be just coming back to our natural states, coming back to our daily activities, and really taking a few extra moments to rest our minds after the meditations, to let the mind wander also, and to get reacquainted with the sensations in our body and to our environment. So 3 parts meditation. We start now with the first one. Make sure that you're in a safe place. You want to be seated, preferably on the floor, on a meditation pillow. If you need to raise yourself up a little bit so that you're able to sit with dignity, sitting nice and tall, chin in, chest up, shoulders as far from the ears as possible. Imagining a string pulling you up from the top of your head so that you're nice and tall, taking as much space as you possibly can. Close your eyes, put your hands to the heart. Let's take a nice inhale through the nose, nice and deep, nice and slow, from the belly to the chest, expanding the rib cage, expanding the shoulder blades too. And once you're nice and full, you release the air, and when you do so, you project some love, gratitude, and appreciation towards a person that you would wish to dedicate your session to. This is very important, to have a little bit of an altruistic concept every time that you meditate. Okay, so it's not just about yourself, but also about the people around you, about how you can serve the world by first changing yourself and then changing other people. Let's do it again, and this time with the focus on just relaxing the body, relaxing the tensions in your muscles and your joints, but also in your mind and in your heart. And so nice, a big inhale in through the nose, nice and deep, nice and slow, gently filling yourself up. And when you're full, you release with a sigh of release. You may make a bit of sound or not. And slowly, you put away the focus on the breath, as you will soon be introduced to the vibration for today's meditation. And when you will be introduced to the sound, when you will start hearing the sound, you'll put your focus as gently as possible, as effortlessly as possible on that sound, putting it on the foreground of your mind, When thoughts come, don't try to eliminate the thoughts. Don't judge yourself. Don't judge the thoughts. This is perfectly normal and indeed part of the process. Every day is different. Every meditation is different. Please meditate with no expectations, and let's try to disengage the ego and judgments towards ourselves and towards our meditation practice. And so when thoughts come, gently be in the shoes of the observer. When you catch yourself, go back as gently as possible to the sound, to the vibration. When the vibration fades out, you will reproduce the vibration in your own mind, keeping it alive for a few extra moments.